Hey, it's Susanna, and today I'm going to share a tip on pre-cooking your whole grains in bulk so that they're easily accessible anytime you need them. I'm also going to share a recipe with you. It's Mediterranean diet friendly, and it's a quinoa tabbouleh salad. This is a great recipe because you can prepare it and then it'll stay fresh in the fridge all week, so you always have a healthy salad option ready for you to eat. I'm going to be cooking some quinoa today, but you can also pre-make brown rice or any other whole grain of your choice. Let's take a minute to practice reviewing the nutrition label on our quinoa. First, I'll draw your attention to the fat, where we can see that there are 0 grams of saturated fat. Next, let's look at the carbohydrates. We can see that there are 0 grams of added sugar and 3 grams of dietary fiber, which means that these carbohydrates are healthy and complex. Finally, let's look at the protein content. A quarter cup of quinoa contains 5 grams, making it a great source of plant-based protein. Here's a quarter cup, or 1 serving of quinoa. Since I'm pre-cooking my grains for the whole week, I'm going to make 4 or 5 servings. So I'm going to do that 3 more times. I'm going to prepare 1 full cup of quinoa. The back of the package tells me that the ratio is 1.5 cups of water to 1 cup of quinoa. Once your quinoa comes to a boil, you're going to cover and turn down the heat to simmer for 11 minutes. Now that my quinoa is cooked, I could put it in an airtight container and store in the fridge, or I could use it to make my tabbouleh salad recipe. Here's our recipe. In addition to the quinoa, you're going to want 1 cucumber, a pint of cherry tomatoes, some parsley, mint, and scallions. For the dressing, you'll need olive oil, a lemon, salt and pepper to taste, and a clove of garlic. Start by combining your veggies, quinoa, and herbs in a large mixing bowl. Then add your lemon olive oil vinaigrette. Finally, toss all your ingredients together to make your finished tabbouleh salad. This recipe makes a great lunch and can also be served as a side dish. Store your leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week. Try preparing this recipe on a day when you have extra time during the week, like maybe on Sunday. That way, when things get busy later in the week, you already have a healthy and delicious option ready to eat. Thanks for tuning in.